بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dua said upon sneezing. When one of you sneezes, he should say,
Alhamdulillah.
And his brother or companion should say to him,
يرحمك الله.
And he, the one who sneezed, replies back to him,
يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم.